Hi children, good morning. In the previous episodes we have discussed about different systems in our body. That is excretory system, respiratory system, muscular system, nervous system. So in this way we have discussed different types of systems present in our body, and also we have discussed the functions of different systems in our body and their importance. So today in this episode we are going to discuss the lesson 4, that is body care. So children, what is body care? So in the previous chapter we have discussed that our human body is a wonderful mission, because our body will act as a mission because it has a different organs to perform different activities. So we have hands to write and to work, and also we have legs to walk. We have eyes to see, we have nose to smell, we have mouth to taste, and we have ears to hear. So in this way, for each activity we have different organs. And all these organs will work together and coordinate with each other and helps our body to perform regular activities and to work in a proper way. So all the organs and different organs in our body like hands, legs and nose, ear, mouth, all these organs will help our body for the proper function of our body. And all these organs will work together and coordinate each other and helps our body to perform different activities and regular activities in our daily life. So if we are doing our regular activities with very active and with very speed, then it shows we are very healthy. So that means healthy means, so if you do our activities and if we are performing different activities in a proper way or in a speedy way, it represents our body is in a healthy condition. And all these organs helps our body to maintain a healthy condition. So if any of our organ is not working properly, then we cannot able to do our daily activities. Then it represents our ill health and it represents some disease, or we are falling in sick. So children, so isn't it? So if any of our organ present in our body is not working properly, then we cannot do our activities daily so properly. So it represents, that means it represents, so there is some ill health or there is some disease, or it is the symbol of we are in ill health or we are in falling sick. So children, that's why, so we have a good health. We should take care about our body. So we should take care about each organ of our body, then we will be in a healthy condition and it will give a health and strong fit to our body. So that's why everybody should take care of our body. So children, so that means, so a sound mind in a sound body. So a sound mind in a sound body means if you are healthy, so you can do your activities in a proper way and in a healthy way. So that's why, so take care, we should take care of our body, and we should take care that our body should always be in healthy condition and our body is under fitness, so our body should be strong. So what we have to do to keep our body healthy and to keep our very strong and fit? So already we have discussed in the previous lessons. So you have learnt in the previous classes, that is in 4th class, 3rd class. So we have to follow some habits, or we have to follow some measures to keep our body healthy and to keep our body fit and strong. So what are the ways and what are the habits we have to follow to keep our body very healthy? So children, so remember, there are some ways and there are some habits we have to follow to keep our body very healthy and fit. So let us see what are those measures and what are those habits we have to follow. The first one is to do regular exercise. So do regular exercises. So do regular exercises. So children, the second one is eat balanced diet. So eat balanced diet or good food habits. Having good food habits. So this is the second one, and another one is take vaccination. So take vaccination. And the another way is so take adequate rest. That means take sufficient rest. So take adequate rest. So children, so these are the habits, or these are the measures, or these are the rules we have to follow every day to keep our body very strong and fit. So if you keep these rules or if you keep these habits daily, then your body does not fall in sick and you will not face any ill health. Your body will be strong and fit. So again, see what are those? The first one is do regular exercise. We should do regular exercise. And the second one is we have to eat a balanced diet and we should have also a good eating habits. That means good food habits. And another one is taking vaccination. So we should take vaccination. So to prevent from diseases and to avoid some diseases. And another one is take adequate rest. So this is also one of the good habits we have to follow to keep our body very healthy and very strong. So children, so let us discuss about each one in detail. So that is, what is the first one? We should do regular exercise. So what is the first one? So we have to do regular exercise. What are the exercises we have to do regularly? Let us see. So children, the first one we have to follow every day to keep our body healthy, fit and strong is do regular exercises. So children, this is the very, very good habit. So if you do exercises regularly, then automatically it keeps your body very strong and the immunity power in your body will be increases and you may not face any diseases or you may not face any ill health. So what are the regular exercises we have to do daily? So that is we have to do every day some morning walk. That means walking. So every day we should have morning walk. Another one is that is skipping and jogging. So children, morning walk, skipping, jogging or swimming. So children, so these are the some exercises, daily exercises you have to follow. So morning walk every day, children. So everybody should have at least 30 minutes of morning walk. So it is very, very helpful to our body and it keeps our body and our mind very fresh and active. And also another one is skipping, jogging. So the skipping, jogging will be practiced in your school, in your playground or at your home also. And another one is swimming. So if you have any leisure time or if you any weekend days, that is especially Sunday, you can go to swimming. And the swimming is a very good exercise to our body. It keeps and protects our body from the diseases. So these are the some regular exercises you have to follow daily. Then it keeps your body very strong and fit. So children, along these exercises, so you may follow another activities like help your mother in doing some activities. So help your mother in the activities. So children, so every day help your mother in house activities like while bringing some commodities and while help you in cooking and while supplying some material to your mother. So that is help your mother in activities, in house activities. So this is also one of the exercises. So it comes under also exercises. And another one is, so play games in your school playground. So children, so please participate games in your school playtimes, that is in your playground. So if you play every day in your school, so it is nothing but regular exercises. So it also keeps your body very healthy and very fit. So play games. So this is also one of the regular exercise you have to follow to keep your body very healthy. And another one is, so follow, that means participate in various sport activities. So participate in various sports activities. So participate in sports activities. So children, if there are any competitions like sports competition, if you have a school level competitions, or if there is any state, district level or national level, mandal level competitions are held in your village or in your school, then participate in various sports competitions. So if you participate in sports competition, so it will gives you a lot of exercises to your body, and it keeps your body very strong and fit, and your body does not fall in sick, and you may not face any diseases. So children, so practice these exercises every day. And another important exercise you may follow is yoga. So yoga helps your body and mind very helpful and in different ways. So children, so practice yoga at least 15 to 20 minutes every day in early morning. So it keeps your mind and body very fresh, and it will increases your concentration levels and your studies. You will get a good result in your studies. So children, practice these exercises like morning walk, skipping, jogging, swimming, and also participate in sports activities, and help your mother in different activities in the house, and also playing games in the playground, and practice yoga every day in the early morning. All these are the rules, or all these are the some good habits you have to follow. Then these